Hello everyone, this is Mike with Home Team Handyman Service, also known as the Traveling Handyman. We travel all over the United States, but recently we've just been traveling in the state of North Carolina from the beach to the mountains. We love traveling. We love working out in the woods or near the water, whatever the case may be. If there's something that you might need done, here's some of the projects we've already done in the past. So, whatever your building project needs are, just give us a call at 919-292-5997. Again, that's 919-292-5997, and we'll come on out and have a look at it. Thank you. Have a great day.